Hello everybody, and this is an update to my video about the pollination of ivy leaf morning glory, my previous video. A few days have passed and I'm gonna show you the results. The fruits have created. Look at this. This is a fresh fruit of morning glory. So the pollination by hand was successful. This is one fruit, and here is another one. So as you can see, it's not that difficult to achieve good results with hand pollination of this morning glory species, even if you grow it indoor, as I do. And so thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you like it, and bye bye.